Okay folks, now we're going to add a few more other pictures to this. Let's say that I want a illustrated background of a Japanese mountain with a Japanese sun rising. I'm going to go ahead and download a picture that I want, and in this case it will be this one. Click and drag and make sure it is onto the white background. So you can now see that there is another layer on my layers, and I want the head to be showing up in front. The easiest way to do that is to grab the layer that you're interested in, so in this case it's the head, and then click, so left click, and then just drag it on top of the Japan picture layer, and now you can see that the picture is now in front. Make sure that you've got the move tool handy and you can sort of position it in the right position that you want, and then there you go. The last trick that I'll show you is, let's say that you do want this duck head to be bigger. Hit Control T and then you'll get the sizing box, and then just hit the corner and then just drag all to outwards for it to bigger, or you can go drag smaller to kind of get it smaller. It is up to you, but I might just drag it a little bit bigger and I'll leave it like that. Done.